Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'll be arranging sunflowers in a cool and refreshing early summer style. Hope you watch until the end. Since today's vase is tall, here's how to measure the sunflower stem. Add the width and the height of the vase and cut the sunflower to match the total length. Sunflowers don't have many leaves on their stems, so we'll add some soft, airy greenery to fill in the space. Do you like sunflowers? They are such a lovely sign that summer is on its way. After placing the sunflowers, next we'll add 2 stems of smoked grass. Each stem has its own unique shape and character, so decide how you want to use each one before cutting. Try holding them up like this to see how they fit together. Isn't it fluffy and cute? Next, we'll add some geranium leaves. Geraniums have such a lovely scent. Did you know their leaves are often used for essential oils? Again, take your time to try different positions before cutting. Look at each leaf and decide which angle works best, and which ones you want to use. The time spent trimming and adjusting can also help reset your mind. It's almost like a moment of zen. When I prune, I like to talk to the flowers while I'm cutting. Each flower has many different expressions, so I spend time with them, thinking about which one to bring out. If you trim and clean up the stem nicely, even the parts in the middle, your arrangement will look much more beautiful. It's just like people. When our hair is brushed instead of messy, we look more polished and lovely. It's the same with flowers. The final touches are made, and now it's complete. This goes for all flowers. Once you cut them too short, you can't fix it. So it's always better to cut them a little longer first, and then trim little by little as you adjust the balance. All done! How does it look? If you'd love to explore the magic of flowers, please check out my ebook. It's available in both English and Japanese. So if you are interested in learning Japanese, it's perfect for you too. You'll find the link in the description. Feel free to take a look. Did you enjoy today's video? Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any new flower tips. And feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. See you next time. Bye!